Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be smoking trout that I caught last week. It was a great day out on the water. I ended up landing 6 beautiful trout. If you didn't see the video, you must watch it. It's on my channel. After getting back home, I got it and cleaned all the fish to keep them fresh. I couldn't resist cooking one right away, so I popped it in the oven with a bit of seasoning, and let me tell you, it was absolutely delicious. The rest of the trout went into the freezer so I could enjoy them later, and today is the day. I'm going to smoke 2 of them using my charcoal smoker, and I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Let's get started. The first thing I need to do is prepare the fish for the smoker. I took out 2 fish from the freezer, put them in the fridge and let them thaw overnight. Now I will butterfly this. It means slicing them open from the belly and flattening out so they smoke evenly and get a beautiful golden color. I need a sharp knife, and I will cut through the rib bones along the spine. Yes, looks nice. Now I will give them a good rinse on the cold water and remove any leftover blood or impurities, and then just pat them dry with the paper towels until there's no surface moisture left. Now it's time to cure them. I will cover each fish generously with salt. This gives them Okay guys, I'm ready to start the fire. I got my super torch. Okay guys, I think the fish is ready now. It's well marinated. I got a lot of juices coming out. Now I need to wash it off and season it, and we'll be ready for the smoker. Okay guys, I got the salt washed out. I'm just gonna pat and dry the fish. Wow, have a look at this. What a beautiful fish.